Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Glad to be back here with y'all. Today I'm making up a sweet potato casserole. Thanksgiving's coming up, right? Hey, they're orange. You can even have this for a dessert, right? For Halloween, your Halloween table. But this is good. It's delicious and I wanted to jump on and share it with y'all. Here in my bowl, everything you need for this, first off, is in the description box. All the ingredients. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Now, instead of me wrapping up potatoes and showing y'all, I did them already. I got my 3 pounds of sweet potatoes. You can boil them, you can bake them, or you can microwave them. I microwave mine. I put them in little plastic bags and poke holes in it with just a little bit of water and let them steam in there, and they come out beautiful. And it's quicker. You don't need to turn that oven on for at least an hour, depending on the size of your sweet potatoes. But if you bake them, just wrap them up in some foil and bake them till they're tender. Just depends on how large your sweet potatoes are. Sometimes it takes an hour, sometimes it takes longer. But in the microwave, it's a lot quicker. I think mine took like maybe 14 minutes or so. I did 2 at a time. My microwave's not that big. But the bigger your microwave, the quicker they're going to cook. So long as they're tender, that's what it's about, getting them nice and tender. And this is a quicker way of doing it by putting it in that microwave. Now these, I peeled them, got them nice and tender. Now I'm going to add some butter. Basically just going to beat up everything together here. Okay. My spices. So tell me, drop me a comment down there. What do y'all do for Halloween with the kids? What is it y'all like to do? Here's some sugar. I have my eggs. And I get my vanilla. A couple teaspoons. 1, maybe a little more. 1.5 to 2 teaspoons. Now I'm going to get this beat up with my mixer, I'm using my good old hand mixer, and get this beat up until it's smooth. Okay, we got that beat up. Now we're going to add just a little bit of milk. Little bit of milk. Don't want a whole lot. We want this to stay fairly creamy here. A little bit more. I will put the measurements, what I used, okay? Just until that's mixed up. We'll get you a 9 by 13 baking dish. Butter it up. And that looks about good right there. Now, I don't like a lot of spices in mine, because I want to taste that sweet potato. But if you want more spices, by all means, add more. Okay? Now I have my buttered pan here. And I'm just going to drop my sweet potatoes down in there. And I'll get that all spread out. Okay, we got those all spread out. Now, the marshmallows are optional. You don't have to put them. But we like them. So we're putting them, okay? All right, we're going to put some marshmallows on here. Now, there's no right or wrong way here. You put many as you want. I just poured some in my bowl here. Probably close to a cup, we'll see. I'm over here snacking on them. Yeah, probably close to a cup of marshmallows. This stuff, when it's on the table, like for Thanksgiving and stuff, it don't last. You know, some of us like to eat it with our dinner. Some of us for dessert, you know. It's up to you. Now, I'm going to get my crumb topping for it. I just threw it all in my bowl there. And my oven is preheated to 350. Now I have my brown sugar here, my flour, and my room temperature butter. And I'm just going to get this all mixed up. Just get it into crumbles. This is my favorite part. Oh, yes. Oh, I hate that when there's hard chunks of brown sugar. But we'll get this all worked in. Okay. We got our crumb topping mixed up. It'll look like sand. Just keep lightly pressing until you get that soft butter all mixed in. And I don't know if I told you I did put my cinnamon in here as well. Like I said, it's in the description box, all the measurements. And just lightly press it till you get like sand texture here. Okay, now we're going to put this on top of them marshmallows. And I like a lot of crumb topping, lots of it. But I'll just get this all over the top of it, y'all. I don't think y'all want to sit here and watch me do this. And if you feel any big chunks of brown sugar, which I did earlier, breaking them all up, just like right there, I feel one. Clean hands while you're doing this, okay? All right, I'm going to finish this up. Okay, there it is. I put a few little bit more marshmallows down into that crumble topping, and it gets nice and gooey and yummy. Oh, I love this stuff. In the oven it goes. It's going to bake probably between 30 to 40 minutes. Just until you see it start to get all gooey and, you know, those eggs have had time to do their thing in there. Half hour to 40 minutes. I'll let you know how long mine takes. Ovens vary. There it is, my friends. Now, I did want to mention, when you do your crumb topping, by all means, if you want some pecans in there, half a cup or so, that's normally what I do, but just not feeling the pecans in there. I like the crumble, but this is really hot. It just came out. Hear that topping? Yum. I'm going to take it right out here with y'all. Now, whether I'm going to bite into it or not, it's going to be hot. Look at there. See that? Don't that look delicious? And those melted marshmallows in there. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Look at there. Don't that look yummy? I am going to get a bite. It's hot, though. That marshmallow. Oh, my goodness. Oh, that's good. My family, we're going to tear that up. But I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me turn this around so you can get a better look at it. Can y'all see it better that way? I just don't have good lighting. I try, y'all. But there it is, the sweet potato casserole. And it's delicious. Like I said, dessert or with your turkey, whatever, you know. But I hope you guys enjoy. And as I always say, Well, first, if you're new to the channel, I welcome you. Oh, and I did bake mine for 40 minutes, just until it gets nice and toasty, and you'll see those marshmallows, if you have them on top, starting to toast. Stick your spoon down in there. That sucker is scalding hot. The eggs are cooked. Mine took 40 minutes. Just depends on your oven. But it's delicious. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, I welcome you. Please like and subscribe and share. It truly helps my channel. But until next time, you guys stay blessed, love one another, eat well, take care of one another, and we will see you all soon. I'm going to finish eating my dessert. You guys have a blessed evening. Bye-bye.